Never heard about Paperguide AI? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account and tell you what it is. Now, if you look on my screen your guide, I'm at the website of Paperguide AI. It's your all-in-one AI research assistant. It is as easy as that. It allows you to do whatever research you want in AI, so you don't even have to switch and head over to ChatGPT, Gemini, or even utilizing DeepSeek. You can use this AI search to search for whatever you want within seconds. On top of that, you get a literature review, you get a chat with PDF document, and you can easily extract your data with this tool as well. You even get an AI writing assistant that you can utilize at your fingertips. It is as easy as that. The platform is very easy to use, it's very user friendly, and and on top of that, it is very affordable and you can get started for free with no charge. So how do you register? You just head over to paperguide.ai and simply click on login. You can easily sign up with your Gmail account or your Google account, or you can register with your own email address. Now I'm going to use a Gmail account. Simply click on login with Google. Select whatever email address you have. I'm going to select one of my Google account. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. Now from here, it's going to take me right into my dashboard. And as you can see, it is successfully signed in. Here you'll have a few questions that you can go ahead. Just simply go ahead and choose whatever you want. So I'm going to choose, for example, social science or engineering technology and click next. Now from here, I'm going to just simply choose other, for example. For here, I'm going to just simply choose research institute. Then I'm going to just choose, for example, something from here. And I'm going to click on next. Then I'm going to go ahead and choose something, write papers, review, case study, etc. Then click on next. You can choose whatever you want here. So I'm going to simply say Google search, complete the setup. Very easy and very simple. Very few steps that you need to complete an account. And once you're done, you will see that it loads you up right into your Paperguide account. If it doesn't load for you, you can simply go ahead and just simply go back to paperguide.ai and you will be able to go right into your account like I did right here. And it's as easy as that. That's how to easily go ahead and create an account in paperguide.ai. Now, once you're here in the account, guys, AI search, literature review, chat with PDF, extract data, and from here on the left hand side, you have the option how to go to your options. You can even go to help and join their Discord. You can do so much more, find your history, write the AI right here, references, and so much more. And it's as easy as that. A very user-friendly interface, easy to register, and it's free to use.